Welcome back to another episode of Jesus Spring Time in the Geek Out section. Today, I just gonna give you a quick review of Harley Quinn Birds of Prey. I saw it last night. Yes, I saw it before everyone else. Yay! I was a little bit worried compared to, other movies. Like, let's say, Suicide Squad, Justice League. I was worried a little bit overall. So, my hopes were not too high. But, I will tell you this. Since the beginning to the end, I was just laughing and just saying, well, like, what? It was an amazing movie. Keep me on my edge right there. I was not bored at all. A lot of action. And it was a nice way to actually, I don't want to say anything that spoiled the movie. It was really good movie. So if you go, just keep in mind it's a DC movie. If you know Harley Quinn, you will be on your way, no problem. If you're a big fan of Harley Quinn, I would say you will see the moments of through Harley Quinn. My God, Robbie did an amazing job. Definitely, she's Harley Quinn. That's it. I cannot see no one else after this movie, and I really recommend to go and see it. It's a great movie, not for kids at all, and that's my dog. Uh-huh. Hey, she's done? She's done? Yeah. And we're done now? And it seems like it. Okay, coming back again. Sorry for that. It was my dog barking. I don't know why. There was no noise at all. Where was it? I lost my thought. Anyway, this was a quick video. Go and watch it. Birds of Prey, Harley Quinn. It's a great movie, a lot of action, and the story do not disappoint. I hope the next few movies, well, from now on, DC and Warner Bros. Do this kind of movies like this. So let's see. We hope that we get a really stable universe for DC, and maybe at the end a crossover with Marvel and DC. You never know. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, dislike, I don't care. I just do it for fun. Just go ahead, click on the button if you want to, and remember, keep spinning.